To restrict content ratings in the TV app in macOS, first launch the TV app. Then navigate to the TV menu in the top left of your screen and select Preferences from the dropdown. In the window that appears, select the Restrictions tab at the top and then click on the lock in the bottom left. Type your administrator password in the prompt and click OK or press Enter on your keyboard. With the restrictions now unlocked, you can select your preferred region and then choose the rating limit for movies and TV shows individually. Keep in mind the boxes will need to be checked in order for the restriction to be enforced. Then, click the lock on the left again, type in your administrator password, and click OK. The restrictions will now be locked. Click OK in the bottom right of the window, and you're good to go. Now, if content is selected that falls outside of the ratings parameters, it will not be able to be played, and a prompt will appear letting the user know that the content is restricted. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks.